morning from Henderson Hangout. I got my friends Goofy and Donald Duck. And we are off to our last day, and we're spending it at Blizzard Beach Water Park. We're on the chairlift at Blizzard Beach. I'm not a big fan of these type of things.
Last time we went on something like this, Felicia screamed and wasn't sure about it all the way up. It was when we were in the Redwoods. It was quite entertaining, actually.
And look behind us, or in front of us. The one slide at the top looks dangerous.
I'm still not sure if I will go down that slide.
I'll go down that one.
I probably will before the end of the day.
Nothing just goes straight down.
But we shall see.
No. That's way bigger than the one you went on. That Typhoon Lagoon.
Slightly bigger than the one I screamed on.
Blizzard Beach has more extreme slides. I think they're right.
I don't know. I think I'll go on most of them though. There are some that over here that are closed today, which kind of sucks. It's the ones with the single inner tubes. We're definitely going to hit a family inner tube up here in just a second. That's why we're taking this up to the top. No problem. You're going backwards. No, I'm the one going backwards. Whoa! That's a little chilly this morning. Here we go. It's a little chilly. Her hair didn't get wet though. So I did it in 6 seconds, excuse me, in 45 seconds. 6.45 seconds. Felicia did it in 6.89 seconds, so I beat her. Got a little bit of air on that, so that was pretty neat.
Okay, so I'm not sure. The downhill double dip, no? Yeah, the double dipper. That thing, it gave me a wedgie. Full on wedge.
But just to disclose, I did beat her.
It's because you weigh more.
I don't think so. I think it's because I got more skilled. So we just went down the toboggan racer. Well, that's the toboggan racer. Anyway, we went down the other one. And man, oh man.
Almost.
Yeah. It was a little hard trying to get down the slide at the top. You kind of had to shimmy yourself.
Yeah, it took me like a minute to get down there.
But it was fun. It definitely was fun. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, it was fun.
Is she gonna go on it again? You gonna go on it again?
I don't know.
I might.
On the inner tube one.
We'll see. Yeah, I'm down for the inner tube one again. That was neat. It just
That's my kind of pool in there.
yeah, she likes the wave pool over here. It's not as intense as what Typhoon Lagoon was. It's a little more mellow, which is, I don't know, good for the kids and stuff. I kind of like the big waves, but this will probably be more fun to relax in at least. So, all right, I think we're gonna go down the racer now and see what happens. So that last slide was called the Snowstormer. This that we're going on now is called the Toboggan Racers. So what do you think about this one?
We'll see if I can get myself going on this one.
You gotta scoot back a little bit.
Come on, get set, go!
So that was fun. I had a lot of fun on that. Let's see what Felicia thought. What happened? Do we need to go on it again? All right, here we go. I'm getting in line right now for the Summit Plunge. That gives you an idea how high I'm up. It's pretty high. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little bit nervous. Here it goes. So we got Avatar right here. And then we have the Tree of Life and then the Everest ride. And then if we pan over here, you can see the Magic Castle way back in there. And there's Space Mountain. And then over here we have Epcot right here. And the Tower of Terror.
Yeah, I can see the roll from here.
And my plunge. And there's Felicia sitting right there. You think I'll be okay?
Yeah. You're gonna be okay. All right, cross your arms and feet, and let's go.
Oh shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god! I was a little nervous to go. Oh my god! Did I scream all the way down? I told the guy at the top I was gonna scream all the way down. Definitely go on that though. It was a lot of fun. As soon as you peek over the top and you're going, you're good. I think Felicia should go on it. So we just went down the family rafting thing again. Had some British people in our raft with us. Super funny when they cuss and yell. But it was a good time, good time. I think it was called Steamboat Springs. Definitely should check it out if you're ever here.
Wait.
Hi, watch it. This is like a cheerleading club.
Here we are at the wave pool, Blizzard Beach. Felicia's still trying to get her hair wet. I'm waiting for it. But it just tosses you around pretty good. Definitely different than Typhoon Lagoon. In a good way, I think. It doesn't crash into you as much. Whoa!
Eric's trying to get on the raft. Here we go. You're not really on it.
We're gonna try this again.
1, 2.
it might be a little too high.
Oh, you got on. You got on. Oh.
My pants are full. Called the breaststroke.
Well, we just finished up at the Winter Summerland golf course right by Blizzard Beach, and guess what the score was? Let me, where did the thing go? I gotta find the scorecard to show you as proof. So I might not have won, but we tied. So the last hole was a hole-in-one. It's a par one, so you should only have to, like, you know, hit the ball once. But Eric had to hit the ball twice. Had he only hit it once, he would have beat me, but he didn't. So we tied. Right? He doesn't have much to say.
Hey, so we had a great week at Walt Disney World. Absolutely amazing time on our honeymoon. I know it seemed like it went really, really fast. We just got here last Sunday, and now it's the next Sunday, and we're getting ready to take off tomorrow to go to California, see our niece. Super excited. We haven't seen her yet. She's a little over a month old. I wouldn't change anything to be able to take off tomorrow and go see her, but wish we did have a little bit more time here. Later this week, hopefully, in the next couple videos, Felicia and I will make a tip video for everybody who is gonna be going to Disney World or is gonna go to Disney World in the future, and try to help you guys save a little bit of money, or try to at least get to some of those rides a little faster than what we did. We definitely learned a few things. We did take some tips from other people, but there was a few things that we kind of picked up on the way, and we'll make sure we bring an exclusive video just about tips for everybody, so you guys can see this in the future. We're gonna get everything packed up tonight. We gotta get up really early in the morning to catch our flight. It leaves just before 7, so we have to get up about 3, head to the airport, make sure we get our flight on time. So make sure you guys subscribe, hit the like button below, and we'll see you guys later.
Good morning from the Henderson Hangout. We are on our way to the Blizzard Beach water park, and then we're gonna play some miniature golf. Yeah, hold on 1 second. I'm coming too.